This is the Iron Trader. Now the pit's closed here at 2:30. That was about 20 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you notice I've been pointing out a couple of key support and resistance levels. First of all, here is this 8 SMA now sitting at 70.95. Now you look at this candle today, where did it go? Bam, right in the old 8 SMA. Okay, now on the upside, we're looking for this 21 day. But what I said is you need to close above. The key is close above. If you can, then she can go here to the 8 SMA here on your weekly chart. And where did it go? Into the 8 day on the weekly chart. Okay, big surprise. Okay, so always look at this 8 SMA here. When it's a waterfall down like this, you can see how many times it just goes right in, but you need to get above that to go higher. Now, again, if you can get above that 75.02, okay, then what we can do is we can work these candles right on up here. Okay, so then they're basically here, you're looking at, you got that 75.03 here, you got 76.76 here. Then we have your 200 day here. Let me see if I can get that in here. Yeah, we look at the 200 day here. Okay, you're looking at 77.79. Okay, and then what we do here is we look at this 50 SMA here. You're looking at 77.91. And then right above it is 78.72. And then we have your price channel right there at 79.60. The key to the whole thing is the upside is this 21 SMA. Today, yes. Did we go above? Absolutely, we went above. Did you close above? Oh, hell no. Okay, see right there. You need to close above. If you can get above, then we looked at this 8 SMA. If you can get above that, then we just work the 200 day, the 50 day, the other 50 day, the price channel, one level at a time here. This is going to be key to watch. You can see the downtrend and look where she went, right into it. Okay, now, when you look at this here on this chart, look and see how many times that it held the key support. Even on this candle right here, you came way below it, but you closed above. Same way with last week's candle, closed below it, actually a lower low, but you closed above. So now we got to see what we can do for this week here, okay? So bottom line here on the downside, what do you want to watch? You want to watch that 70.95. A close below that, then you're going to come down to this 200 day at 70.57. Again, if that is lost, then we just follow these candles here, okay? So you look at the high here, you got 69.89 here, and then we just keep working this right on down here, okay? So you got a 69.50 here, you got 69.11, you got 68.80, we have 68.22, and then your big retest down here is 67.71. Again, now if that's lost, this is the candle I've been pointing out right here, 67.05. That is going to be the target, okay? So again, if that is lost, then we come over here to this candle, okay, 65.38, 64.36, and your big retest here, 63.64. Now, all this here is all based on if you lose that 8 and you lose that 200 SMA here, okay? So look at your RSI here, plenty of room, both directions here. Now you got a nice bullish cross here. Your green is above your red. Very, very nice here. On your weekly chart here, your RSI, you got plenty of room to go here on the upside. And we still have a bearish where your green is below the red. But if it can curl back up here, then you can send it higher, okay? So bottom line here, here's what you want to watch. Now, the futures will open here at 6 p.m. tonight. And you can trade from 6 p.m. till 8 o'clock at night. Or if you're going to trade here first thing Tuesday morning, the key levels here to watch are this. Watch on the downside, 70.95, the 8 SMA here, okay? Watch this key level here, this 200 SMA. Now, this is not going to change much, but the 70.95 here, that might be a little bit higher as she's trying to work itself on up. On the upside, watch that key 21, very, very crucial, and this 8 SMA, 75.02, very, very crucial. If you can get above that, then we just come right up to this 200 day here, Okay, then we come up to the 50-day, and then possibly the other 50-day, and possibly a retest there. Now, I was long the UCO, and I didn't sell it at the top today, but I came pretty damn close. It got as high as 28.75. I sold it at 28.70. So really, really good trade in the old UCO here for the long. You can also do SCO here. I use there for the old short. Okay, so this is a very, very simple, easy chart here. You got basically got pinball action here between the 21-day and the 8-day. The question is which way is going to break. So don't have any opinion. If it blasts higher, well, we know where it's going to go. You're going to watch all these key SMAs. If it goes lower, we know where it's going to go. 70.95, this right here, 70.57, and you got a retest down here at 67.71. Easy peasy. Okay, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, here we have your natty gas, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, you can see here how it's been working it like a circus monkey here, okay? See, a lot of nice green days, but it went right up here, and where did the guy I told you is going to go? Right? Watch that 200 SMA here. That's sitting at 2.62. If you can get above, then we come here to this 50 SMA, 2.64, and then 2.66. That's all you had to worry about today was the 200-day, the 50-day, and the 21-day, okay? So if it can't get through, just like it did here, and just put like what they call a tweezer top, she came right on down. Now, on the downside here, we obviously want to watch today's low, okay, sitting at 2.48. If that is lost, then you look to this 8 SMA here, 2.44. Very, very key. Now, again, if that's lost, we just follow the candles down here. Okay, you look at the high here, 2.42. Then we look at the bottom here, 2.38. And then we just follow this down here, 2.32, 2.29, 2.27, and then your big retest down here at 2.235. Okay, again, if that's lost, we just follow the candles down. What do you got? 2.20, 2.17, 2.14 basically, 2.03, and then you retest 1.94. However, that's in the future. All you have to worry about now on the downside is this 8 SMA. If that's lost, we follow the candlesticks down to the retest here, okay? On the upside, you got your 200-day at 2.62. If you get above, right there, okay, 2.64, 2.66, okay? That's what your levels are, okay? Now, again, if you can break above that, then we can just follow these candlesticks all the way on up here until your big target here is going to be 2.84. And you would change the direction. Right now, this is still in a downtrend until you can get above that 200-day, that 21-day, and that 50 SMA here. If you can, then we can look here, we can look there, and we can even look up there. Now, your RSI here, looking really good. It just had like a V bottom here, no divergence or anything. Plenty of room to go on the upside here. You got a MACD. It's not crossed yet, but your green is getting close to your red. It's kissing her up there pretty good. So you need to cross above that to go higher. Okay, so bottom line, easy trade. Watch the 8 on the downside. Watch this key 200-day, the 50, and the 21-day. Now, the futures will open here at 6 p.m. So we can just see where this all going to shake out here. And then remember, tomorrow, the API report on crude oil will be out at 4:30. All right, that's what I got for you on Yo Crude Ski and Natty Gas. I'll be back tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we will review the crude and the natural gas. Thanks for watching.